What? What do you do, puppies? Hi, puppies. Hey, puppies. Hey, puppies. No, Reese is kind of busy right now. What are you doing? Are you little girl or little boy? You little girl, you're Raja. This is Bugs. This is Buggeree's baby. Buggeree's little girl. Yeah, it's Buggeree's little girl.
How long is Caleb back for?
Alright. 10 days.
That's it?
Yep.
I thought that was a different guy just sitting next to you.
That's funny.
Came to give me my medicine.
That's funny.
I was like, he's probably
Come here. Roll over. Roll over, Piglet. Roll over, Piglet.
There's
Look at you.
Look. He's chewing on Remy's foot.
He got your foot, Mama. He got your foot. That's funny. I don't think you're going to have to worry about a hyperactive dog, Red. Dude, seriously? Oh, he's chewing on his tail. What are you doing? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Reese? It's a tail. What do you want? What do you want, punk? What do you want? Come licking on me and biting on me. Telephone. Gotta go.